Have you ever set goals and failed them, and you no longer know whether to continue or just scratch the whole thing and forget it ever existed? Well, that's me in this vlog. I made a challenge to myself to work 100 hours making products for my small business before the new year, but I failed. I am wondering whether to release this video or just let it gather dust in my phone storage because I don't want to let others know that I failed. But you know what? I've realized that after all, the title is challenging myself and not working 100 hours. So there are two possible outcomes. Either I accomplish it or I don't. And I simply did the latter part. So join me in this challenge, a one-woman team running her small business during the holidays. Here's how it went and enjoy watching. Hi! Let's work 100 hours for my small business. How many bouquets will I make? Let's find out. The reason why I am doing this is because for three reasons. One is to make more products. Made to order yung business ko. Lagi akong merong late shipping. Kasi minsan, sobrang daming orders, hindi ko siya na-fulfill since limited ngayon time. So, na madami akong time since walang academics. Gagawa ko ng maraming products para kapag may mga orders is ma-ship ko agad. And then, another reason is to make new products na wala pa ako dito. Like ito, I don't have yellow fuzzy flowers sa shop ko kasi hindi ko pa nga siya nagagawa dahil sobrang busy. Ito, bumili ako ng small pots. Ganyan. Gagawa ko ng, parang ano siya, pang display na fuzzy. So, basta marami akong products na naiisip pero hindi ko, meron ako materials pero hindi ko magawa kasi nga kulang ako sa time since kailangan ko mag-fulfill ng orders. So, wala na akong time for new products. Another reason, to avoid late shipping kasi baba na ng ratings ko sa TikTok. Sa TikTok lang naman kasi bawal sa kanila yung pre-order. I don't know kung paano siya ginagawa na isi-set mo yung shop mo magiging pre-order siya. So, may 7 days kang allotted time. Kagaya sa Shopee. Alam ko 2.7 na yung ratings ko dun sa shop. Anyways, ayun. Yun yung mga reasons kung bakit siya 100 hours. Tapos, it's almost an hour. Ito na siya. Tsaka mo na nilagay. Suspect! Kinakain at sinisira ang aking bouquet. Okay, so ito, sinasabi ko, diba? Lagi ako nadidelay. So, dapat December 16 pa sila. Pero December 18 na ngayon. Tapos, isi-ship ko pa lang. And ito yung mga new orders today. Ito. Yan. For anyone new to my channel who doesn't know about my business yet or don't know me, I have an online gift shop where I sell handmade flower bouquets. Some are made with wood and some are made with fuzzy wires. I get the wood flowers from my neighbor Ate Blessy, and I'm the one who arranged them into bouquets. As for the fuzzy wire flowers, I make all of them from scratch, so they take more time to finish. Okay. So the break time is done. And mamaya around 2 p.m. ibubuk ko ito to I forgot the address. Basta Lalamove. Ayan, okay. So, let's get back to the work. 1, 2, start. Hi, just got home. And ito, nakuha ko na yung mga in-orders ko. Later natin i-count. Kasi, naghahabol ako ng time. Dahil malapit na naman mag-cut off sa JNT office. Good morning, people! It's a brand new day. Meron akong gagawing order na rush. Dapat mamaya pa ako mag-start. Pero, kagabi pa kasi ito in order. Akala ko, ika-cancel na kasi hindi ko nagawa. Kaninang 8:00 ng umaga. Di, exercise ako, gawa ako ng journal ko, ganyan. Tapos, bumalik, tutuloy pala. Kasi, ay hala, sorry, hindi ko akala ko cancel na kasi nga hindi ko nagawa nung 8 a.m. So, ayun. So, now, sabi ko, balik siya ng 20 minutes. Gagawin ko. Ayan. Naririnig niyo ba yung nagpupukpok? Pak, 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 ganun. Yun, yung gumagawa ng flower petals. Done. This is how I usually start my work. I list the orders I need to make, listen to music or a podcast, prepare my materials, and get to work. When I'm working, I love watching vlogs, but I do that during afternoon. So, nag-i-start ako sa educational podcast, ganyan. It has different color kasi yung una kong binila na shop na yung ganito is sarado. I mean, nasa vacation. So, naghanap ako ng ibang sellers. Tapos, wala akong nakitang maayos, ganyan. So, bumili ako sa TikTok. Mas malala yung nabili ko. Ganito kapayat. Diba? Grabe yung itsura. Ang nipis. Tapos, kitang-kita na yung parang wire niya. So, luckily, nag-open na yung binibilhan ko. And ito. Diba? Ang ganda ng quality. So, these are all the bouquets for today. 4 lang natapos ko. Ayoko na mag-extend kasi for 26 na. Baka madali na naman ako. Ito. Ayan. And good morning! Today is my 3rd day and dito tayo minto kagabi. Grabe, no? Parang ang dami na nangyari. Wala pa pala akong 20 hours. So, today, our agenda is naubusan ako ng box. So, hindi ako makakapag-deliver today ng mga orders. Kaya ginawa ko is pre-order ko muna. But for me, blessing in disguise din na naubusan ako ng box para makagawa na ako ng new products. Since, diba, nauubos yung oras ko sa paggawa ng mga orders, which is a great problem to have. Because it means, madami yung order sa akin. Na-amaze ako na more than 3 bouquets yung ginagawa ko every day na order agad. Hindi siya parang stock lang. Kasi dati, parang sobrang big deal na kapag meron akong one product na i-deliver every day. Kasi very seldom yun. Like, parang ang saya-saya ko na kapag pupunta ako ng J&D tapos may isang box ako na i-deliver. Ganun. So now, parang nakakatuwa na hindi ko na, ako na mismo parang sumusuko na, shit, kaya ko ba itong gawin lahat? Na, kaya ko ba silang ma-deliver on time? Ganyan. Nakaka-amaze lang. Yun. So, thank you guys for purchasing to my shop. Hi guys, I'm back. Kakatapos ko lang mag-video ng aking school requirement. Nakakala ko tapos na, pero hindi pa. Pero sana last na to. And I'll continue working. Mamaya, titigol ulit ako kasi para i-edit yun. Dahil deadline is today. Pero yun, I want to rest first dahil that's straight 1 hour. Me talking. Anyways. Perfect. Just finished my first 20 hours and these are my progress. So cute, diba? Ito yung new products na sinasabi ko, guys. Yung may pot. And, ito, di ko natapos yung purple. Yan. So, today is Saturday. Hindi ako nag-vlog ng whole day. And bukas, magdi-day off ako. Tapos, balik ulit ako ng Monday. Guys, just wanna ask you how's your goals for this 2025? Are you done recording them? Like, naplano nyo na ba? Ako, as of now, as of this date, December 22, natapos ko na siyang i-list. Pero, hindi ko pa sila nahahanapan ng pictures kasi I'm planning to make a vision board. Kahapon, Christmas, nag-work ako ng hapon to gabi. Hindi ko alam kung ilang hours dun kasi hindi ko ni-record. Di na ako sanay manood nang walang ginagawa yung kamay ko. So, di ko ganyan. Sa kadami ako, like, more than 5 na bouquet. So, i-account ko na lang siya na 8 hours. So, kasi matagal, as in talaga whole day na ako. Hi! What's your name? Hello po, I'm Lulu. Ang kumakain ng Trigo Girls ni Ating Ana. Ito na dun na. Bawal ang makulit dito. It doesn't look much, pero matagal tong gawin. So, naka-4 ako. And then, ito na hindi ko pa nag-glue stick, pero 3 rin to. So, 7. Kulay pula na sila. I have to finish them today. Yay! Okay. Magbabalot na ako. Here are all of my progress today. Wow! This one is iba. Bye! Tomorrow na yung iba. It's 11:30 p.m. Good morning, people! Today is Friday and December 27. Ginawa ko to kaninang umaga. Umaga ako gumising dahil sabi ng buyer is maaga daw, kaso di ba naman nagre-reply sa akin, baka na nakatulog. Di ba nasabi ko kanina na gumising ako na maaga for this. And blinak ako ng bumili. Hindi ko alam, baka nahihiya siyang sabihin, ika-cancel na lang, kaya bilak na lang niya ako. Okay. Good thing na rin kasi napagising niya ako ng maaga. So, I was able to start very early today because of him. So that's a plus. That's the only good thing in this failed transaction. Okay, I'll go back to work. Just finished my last bouquet for today. Oh no, meron pa akong isang purple fuzzy. But before that, it's lunchtime and I wanna talk to you guys kasi I feel like hindi ko kayang matapos yung vlog because out of storage na yung phone ko. Hi, it's me, Editing Anna, and I hope you can hear me clearly because madami ingay sa labas. I'm ending this vlog because I don't think I can do the 100 hours work challenge. Dahil first, parang may pagka-imposible siya na magawa na yung 100 hours is full solely for making products. Dahil as a one-man person in this business, I have to pack orders, I have to entertain yung mga nagtatanong. All production is on me. So, mahirap siya na i-dedicate ko lang yung 100 hours ko ng buong holiday na ngayon. January 5 na. So, hindi talaga siya kinaya. Hindi sa I can't work ng tuloy-tuloy. I can definitely do that. Kaso nga lang, ayun, hindi siya kaya na puro gagawa lang ako ng orders dahil I have to pack, I have to deliver, I have to make contents, ganyan. So, mahirap. Soon, baka magkaroon ako ng marami ng helpers and I can put all of my time crafting products, diba? Why not? Pero ayan, thank you guys for watching this long video. Sinadya ko siyang mahaba kasi I wanna watch this when I'm working. Kasi mahilig ako manood ng mga vlogs kapag nag-work ako na kahit mahaba, like, kahit 1 hour, ganyan. Kasi, para feeling ko, lalo na kapag nag-work sila, feeling ko kasi may kasama akong nag-work. Baka gusto nyo rin ng kasama. Anyways, masyado ng mahaba, maingay ang vlog na to. Kaya, I'll end this and thank you again for watching this video. See you on the next vlog. Bye! The reveal of how many bouquets I've made. Bilangan natin. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 45, 46. So, bilang ko para din niya makita yung names. 46!